All right, component patterns. You can do these same patterns in assemblies. So you can do linear, circular, you can do mirror. However, I'm not going to run through all these. I am going to run through mirror real quick. Mirror is very, very cool in the fact that if you are mirroring in an assembly, so let me open this assembly here, and what we want to do is we want to mirror all these components over here. So I'm going to come up and tell it I want to do a mirror component, choose my plane that I want to mirror over, there it is, and then which components you want to mirror, this one, and this one. And I'm not going to hit the green checkbox, because if I hit the green checkbox, it will mirror everything. But you'll notice that some of these components, if you mirror it, you don't get the right part. In this case, we need to create a part for this mirror, because this part right here is not symmetric. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to tell it that on the clamp, I have clamp selected, that I want to create an opposite hand version. And it will put that little symbol there letting me know it's going to create an opposite hand version of that component. All the rest of the components just get put on again because they're symmetric. It's just mirroring those. I'll hit next, and it's going to ask me, okay, you want the opposite hand version of that one. Do you want to create a configuration or a new file? How do you want to name this new file? You add a prefix is what I'm going to do. I'll just put a dash mirror here. So it's going to, actually, let's do a suffix. So it's going to call it clamp-mirror. You can place it in files, all the files in one folder. If you don't choose anything, it just places it wherever the assembly is. We'll say next. It's going to ask you what you want to import into that new part file, because it's going to be imported in just as a generic import kind of thing. So you can have it bodies, axes, planes, all that kind of thing. You can also break the link to the original part. What that will do is if someone changes this version over here, this part, it won't affect the one over here. We'll go ahead and leave it alone. It's going to say OK to that, and now you can see I have a separate component here under mirror, and it's called clamp underscore or dash mirror. So it actually created the right hand version of my part as well.